Hello dear Bengali learners, how are you? In the previous class, we learned the pronunciation of a sound and we also learned the number ek, it's mean one, and also learn a word is called desh, ish, de, ish, it's mean country. In this part, we learn a new word and also a new sound and new alphabet. We can call it oi. Oi. Sound is very easy. Oi. I think it's a very easy sound. Oi. Oi. The sound is like oi. Oi. It's mean. Here is given the example. Oiko. 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 Oiko, it's mean unity. If you want to say someone Oiko, it's mean unity. Oiko, it's mean unity. And the second one, oititso. 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 Oititso, it's mean tradition. Oititso, it's mean tradition. If you want to say someone oititso, or if you want to express tradition, someone in Bangladesh, then you need to use the word oititso. Oititso. So yeah, we have finished here our lesson today, and if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe, and if you don't watch the previous lesson, just go the playlist and learn it. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.